This video will show you how to add indicators to a measure in a pivot table. This feature is available in the pivot table included in the visualization bundle. To begin, open the Properties panel. Under Data, select the measure you want to apply indicators to. In the Representation drop-down menu, choose Indicator. From here, you can customize the indicator position and column width. You can also personalize the indicator color and choose a different symbol to display as the indicator. In this example, we've now applied an indicator to the sales measure. You can also apply different indicators to other measures. Let's add a different one for quantity. When adding indicators, you can define limits using either fixed values or expressions. In this case, we'll use 500 as a limit. All values below 500 will appear in violet. Values 500 and above will appear in blue. You can also enable the Apply Color to Values option, which will apply the same colors to the measure values themselves. Now let's adjust the indicator position and the column width. And here's the final result. You've now successfully applied indicators to measure values in the pivot table. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.